Hello everyone, welcome back to Hands-On Skills. My name is Alex Like, and in today's video we're going to be talking about defibrillation. Now this isn't a video that covers rhythm recognition. This is simply the operation of a manual defibrillator. Although your department's protocols may differ, I will be using AHA guidelines to select my energy settings. Let's take a look. As the default energy setting is 200, I'll just press charge. CPR should continue as the device charges. Before pressing the shock button, clear the patient. Once the energy has been delivered, resume CPR for 2 minutes. For my next shock, I will increase the energy to 300 joules. Make sure all team members are clear before delivering the shock. I will increase the energy setting to 360, and this is the maximum that will remain for all future shocks. Ensure all team members are clear prior to defibrillating. CPR should normally be performed immediately following a defibrillation, but as I have seen an increase in end-tidal CO2, I should assess my patient and their vital signs. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Until next time, please stay safe.